Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix stick drift in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 or Warzone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the game, then press on the gear icon, and then you need to go to controller. And then you need to scroll down until you see dead zone inputs and select show more. And then here you should see left stick min and right stick min. So you just need to select the stick where you're getting the dead zone. So I'm getting dead zone on left stick where I basically move, and right stick is for aiming. So if you're getting on the, for example, left stick, what you need to do here is to increase minimum for try to increase every 5%. So on default it's 5, so try to increase to 10, and then look if the stick drift is gone, and if it's not gone, then increase 5, and then try and just increase it until the stick drift is gone. So, and same with the ADS stick as well, right one. You just need to increase it until the stick drift should gone. And that's pretty much it here. So you just need to adjust these two options. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.